हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। क्या आपको भी सेडेंटरी लाइफस्टाइल की वजह से अर्ली एज में ही बैक पेन स्टार्ट हो गया है एंड यू वांट टू गेट रिड ऑफ दैट एज सुन एज पॉसिबल, राइट? तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है गाइस। दिस वीडियो इज अ फॉलो अलोंग स्ट्रेचिंग रूटीन टू गेट रिड ऑफ बैक पेन. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first stretch we are going to do is cat cow stretch. कैट काउ स्ट्रेच करने के लिए हमें सबसे पहले आना है टेबल टॉप पोजीशन में. नाउ इनहेल डीपली, arch your back and let your belly go down towards the mat and look up. This is cow pose. Hold it for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now exhale slowly and round your back and look towards the mat. This is called cat pose. Hold the cat pose for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next pose is Pavan Muktasan or wind relieving pose. To do this pose, lie down on your back. Bring your knees to your chest and lift your head. Hold this pose for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next pose is Balasana or child pose. To do the child pose, kneel, sit back on your heels, extend your arms forward, let your forehead touch your mat. Hold this pose for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next pose is Spinix Watch or Salamba Bhujangasana. To do the Spinix Watch, lie down on your stomach. Place your forearms parallel to each other and lift your upper body and relax your lower back. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last stretch is half low pose using the wall. So to do this pose, lie down on your back. Extend your legs. Come closer to the wall. And flat your feet. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's all for today's video, guys. Hope this video will help you to get rid of back pain. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.